Welcome to Recreation SolidWorks CADCam Practice 23. Today we are going to create 3D model random part 7. So here's the detailed drawing of the 3D model random part 7. We have side view, front view and top view. Today I'm going to show you the simplest way to create this 3D model using boss extrude and cut extrude. So we are going to start our 3D model from sketching it from the front view. So we are going to select the front plane and create a new sketch. So I'm going to start the sketch with command midpoint line. So I'm going to select the center point of origin to create the midpoint line and draw the shape of the front view. Okay, and then I'm going to add a center line from this line to this line. I'm going to separate this feature and this feature, and then I'm going to add dimension. So the length is 50 mm and this width is 7, this is 14, and I'm going to select from center line to this end of this line is 21, and the height of this line is 28, and this line follows the height of this one. So I'm going to select this point by clicking Ctrl and selecting this point. I'm going to add the relation of horizontal, and finally we are going to add the dimension to this one. The width is 7 as well. So our sketch is fully defined. Now I'm going to exit the sketch using the feature boss extrude. Okay, and then before I'm starting the sketch, I'm going to clear the contour, and here this is the use of the center line, so I can differentiate the contour of the sketch. For now I'm going to select this area and I'm going to give dimension about 28, and yes, to create this part of the feature I'm going to edit again and make sure I'm going to make it as midplane, and then okay. Now we can use the same sketch to create this feature. So I'm going to show you how. Expand this boss extrude one and select this sketch one, and again you select the extrude base. Now go to contour, clear selection, and you're going to select the right part of the contour and make sure you are selecting the correct contour like this. Now you can see the direction of the contour is different, so I'm going to edit and then I'm going to change the direction, and yes, now we already create the base of the 3D model using this sketch. And finally we are going to cut this hole over here and we are going to complete our sketch. And I'm going to select this face, and before I'm starting my sketch I'm going to create a center line from the origin to the center point. Okay, and then I'm going to create a circle and I'm going to point the center of the circle at the center line, and using the line command I'm going to create a line from the circle to this line, and same method at the opposite direction and complete the figure. And then I'm going to use the trim command to trim these circle lines. Now we have the whole sketch over here. So I'm going to add the dimension to this. The radius of the circle is 7 and the center point from this bottom line is 21. And now our sketch is fully defined. I'm going to exit the sketch and select the extrude cut feature, and I'm going to select up to surface command, and I'm going to select this surface or this face and complete the sketch. Now we complete our 3D model by using 2 sketches to complete a 3D model random part 7. So don't forget to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.